guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Squishy Makeovers. Today I'm just, well, it's already dried and it's done with the coating. Yes, and I'm just going to add the eyeballs. Actually, I'm gonna paint this a color that will work. So yeah, the green work. Nope, green's not gonna work. Black. Will black work? Nope. You need what? Why do you need this?
For something.
That's fabric.
Oh, but then I don't want it. Because this paint needs more.
Good. Yes, this is fabric. I will stain everything.
Even this paper.
Yeah. Okay. So now I'm just gonna use this paintbrush, and I really need to change my water.
You've got one.
Just paint the bottom.
I like this one more. And how do I dry it?
Just, yeah. Alright, and the bottom is done. So I will see you guys when it's all dried and it's time for the eyes. Bye, y'all.